Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor furniture. Today, we've got a real gem for your backyard or patio, and it might just be the best lawn furniture clearance outdoor deal you'll find this season. We're diving into the SUUNYN Folding Adirondack Chair, a perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability. If you're in the market for a sturdy, weather-resistant chair that's ideal for those cozy outdoor moments. Whether you're lounging by the fire pit or relaxing on the deck, this Adirondack chair is built to impress. One of the standout features is its enhanced backrest design. Unlike traditional straight-back models, this chair's one-piece backrest is uniquely shaped to contour perfectly to your back, offering relief from spinal pressure and ensuring you can sit for hours without discomfort. The chair's design also maximizes comfort with a 105 degrees tilt angle, giving you a deeper, more relaxing seating experience. And for those who love a drink by their side, you'll be happy to know this chair comes equipped with dual retractable cup holders, making it the perfect companion for your drinks, whether you're sipping on lemonade or enjoying a chilled cocktail. But it doesn't stop there. This chair is incredibly practical, too. It's foldable, which makes it easy to transport and store when it's not in use. Just remove the pins, and you can effortlessly fold it flat. That's convenience at its finest. Made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, this Adirondack chair is tough enough to stand up to the harshest weather conditions. It resists fading, cracking, peeling, and rotting, so you don't have to worry about your chair deteriorating over time. Its all-weather, low-maintenance design ensures it stays looking great season after season with minimal effort on your part. Assembling this chair is a breeze as well. With clear instructions and just a few steps, you'll have it ready in no time. No frustration here. Whether you're looking to relax by the garden, on the patio, or next to a cozy fire pit, this chair checks all the boxes. The best part? SUUNYN backs their product with a 2-year service commitment, ensuring that your satisfaction is their priority. So, if you're looking to add a touch of relaxation and style to your outdoor space, the SUUNYN Folding Adirondack chair is definitely worth considering. Head over to the link below to grab yours now, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and deals on top-notch products like this one.